Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, we have this DURATECH magnetic foldable silicone tool tray. Blue, purple, green. Plain old box. Barcode. Okay, let's open it. DURATECH. Thank you. More accessories to buy. Cala. Here, I'll just take one out. It's gonna be the same. So here, DURATECH. With a magnetic. No. Magnetic. No. Have this here. So I'm gonna turn it upside down. It's not falling. So hold it, and then if you need, I got bin, so it stays inside. You just fold it, unfold it, and then when you don't need it, fold it up. There you go. So if you're interested in this tool tray, the link will be in the right. Yeah, if you're interested in that. Yeah, and that's it. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.